Hello everyone and welcome back to Dior's DigiHub for another unboxing video with the first impression after use. So we will be unboxing today the Nikon AFS Nikkor 50mm f1.8G lens, which is available from Nikon as a prime lens for use with the Nikon's FX series and TX series DSLRs. So this is a standard lens which you can use for your DSLR system, and it has a focal length of 50mm. It does not support image stabilization and has a maximum aperture of 1.8. It is made up of plastic, and currently it comes around at 12,500 Indian rupees. That is around, I think, $185. So starting off with the unboxing, we will take off the tapes which holds off the slice so that we can take out the cover up. On either side we saw that it contains the serial number of the product along with the manufacturer details. This lens comes off with a 2-year warranty. So starting off with the unboxing, the first thing that comes out is the pouch which we can use to store the lens. It is a normal cloth pouch and seems quite decent and looks sturdy enough. Then comes out the lens, which is enclosed in a plastic covering. Then comes the user manual and the warranty. This comes up with a worldwide service warranty, so hopefully we won't have any trouble getting it to a support center anywhere in the world. Hopefully. Here's a look at the pouch again. We'll just keep it back. I'm still learning my camera stuff. Okay, so the first thing we take out is the camera lens hood and then the lens itself. The lens hood is made up of plastic. The lens hood can be applied to the outside of the lens, which can be taken out. So there we take out the lens cover, and there was a lens for you. The hood can be applied as a covering to the outside of the lens. We'll just try to put it on. There you go. Nope. Yeah, there you go. So there's a dial. And the lens comes with a manual auto override and the manual mode. There we have the hood in the opposite manner, and it is now currently ready to be used. We'll set it up with our camera, which is coming up shortly. Okay, so starting off with attaching the lens, we'll take out the stock lens of the camera, which is the D5100. It was containing the stock lens of a 55mm one. We'll just latch it up in. This is our first time, so it's taking a while. Yeah, there we go. Looks quite stylish. we'll just put back the stock lens back into the pouch, because I suppose we won't be needing it pretty much after this. The pouch is basically made to hold up the Nikkor lens and not the stock one. The stock one is a bit bigger in size than this prime lens, so that was why there was a bit of it looking out of the pouch. So we start off the camera and there we go. There, everything's in focus and we're able to look through the lens. It's working fine. We'll take up a few snapshots so as to see whether we can test it up. So that was our first shot. We'll be sharing the snaps at the end of the video. Yep. There you can see that at the back of the box the background has been blurred out a bit. We'll also try to focus off on something else while we're at it. We'll just put back the flash back in. Let's just set up the lens and we'll check with the lens hood placed in front of the lens's box. We'll try to focus the lens hood and see whether we can blur out the other parts of the background or other elements. The DX series, that is the D5100 here, has a pretty easy user handling, and as you can see with the navigation panel, we just moved up back and highlighted the lens hood, and let's just take up the snap of it. So here we go, the pics which we took with the camera. This one is the lens hood, and as you can see, all the remaining parts of the image has been blurred out and the focus has been done mainly on the lens hood. Seems quite stylish here. And also the first image which we took, that is the lens box, and you can see that the other parts in the background, that is the small CPU cabinet and everything, has been blurred out. Looks good. So I suppose that is all for today, and hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, do like, share and subscribe. It will really help us out. Hope to see you again in another video soon. Bye for now.